Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about the top 3 coins that you are supposed to be buying right now in order for you to make a sizable amount of profits in the next 24 to 48 hours. So the coins that we are going to be talking about are Vechain, Axie Infinity, and Avax, because these are the coins that I'm going to be trading basically today and probably in the next 24 to 48 hours. So I really hope you guys are going to be able to enjoy this particular episode, because we are going to dive deep into the technical analysis. So basically, these are the respective prices of Vechain, Avalanche, and Axie Infinity. So according to my analysis, right, these have got the highest probability to give you very good profits in the next 24 to 48 hours. So I go by the name of Muna, aka Beyond 10x. You guys already know what we do here on my YouTube channel. We are all about trading. We are all about maximizing our profits when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies. And right now, the markets are pretty hot. Everything is everything is looking juicy because all the altcoins are about to pump. So I'm going to be your guide. I'm going to help you navigate and filter through the bullshit, the noise, so that you can just find those easy trades. So without further ado, I am here to give you a detailed forensic approach to the technical analysis that we are about to do. So remember, every day is all about hustling. Every day is all about putting in 1000%, because you just have to go the extra mile in case you guys really want to make a whole lot of money. And just like I told you, right, the next 3 months are going to be absolutely explosive. So you have to be very active. This is one of the reasons why I am super consistent. So without any further ado, these are the coins that I am going to be trading in the next 24 to 48 hours. And I'm only going to be trading for 10% and above. Let's say, for example, one of these coins get to do like a 20% or a 15%. I will gladly close my trades. So anyhow, right now we are seeing like a little bit of a downturn. So the first coin that we are going to look at is Vechain, because Vechain has been very stagnant if you compare it to other alternative cryptocurrencies such as Axie Infinity. But if you take a look at this particular chart, and if you look at the graph looks super amazing, and we are bound to go towards the top. We are obviously in an uptrend. So if you look at the weekly perspective, everything is good. Everything is absolutely pointing and leading towards an insane ginormous pump. And what I'm expecting Vechain to do is obviously at least reach 16 cents. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. So if you look at the current price and that particular threshold, then best believe we are most likely going to be able to do some very good profit and numbers on this particular trade alone. So let's take a look at the market cap, because the market cap is very important for us to just figure out exactly where we are. So if you look at Vechain, right, Vechain is a very overvalued cryptocurrency according to my preference, because I love super cheap undervalued cryptocurrencies. So Vechain at this particular moment has got 9.1 billion US dollars, but I am hearing a lot of good stuff about Vechain. I hear that Vechain is obviously going to be implementing some super duper cool exciting stuff, and there's going to be like explosive news. So if you compare the volume of Vechain and all the upcoming information, the news and all that good stuff, right, it is a prime trade to take. So I'm going to be very patient with it, but I expect some explosiveness to happen in the next 24 to 48 hours. So the previous all-time high was around 28 cents, which was on the April 19th, 2020, about 6 months ago, basically. So if you look at the current price, right, we are way below the half of the previous all-time high. So we absolutely have a lot of room to grow. So basically we are half the price of the previous all-time high. So that really leaves us a lot of room to grow. And if you take a look at this particular area, right, we have a long way to go, a long way to go, and we can absolutely get to maximize our trades. So if you look at the detailed graph of Vechain right now, as you guys are seeing this, right, it is even beginning to grind its way up. So all the time frames are absolutely bullish. Everything is absolutely pointing and tilting towards the upside. So this is absolutely a no-brainer. So what I'm expecting is I'm expecting the prices to kind of pump and push towards the upside. So the next resistance that I'm going to be looking for is obviously 0.145, right, for 14 cents and a half. So this is basically what I'm expecting. But usually what happens when the prices kind of grind towards the upside, we usually take out this particular resistance right over here. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, 16 cents as far as Vechain is concerned is absolutely feasible. It is absolutely possible for us to like reach that particular level because we have cleared out all the major resistance. Previously, I was worried about the 12 cents and a half level, this cluster of trading volume. There was like a lot of liquidity here that was sort of bothering me. But at this particular moment, right, everything has been cleared out and we are bound to explode and just basically go to new all-time highs. So remember, if you, let's say for example, you get to buy Vechain right now, because absolutely this is a great investment opportunity and there's a lot of upside. So if you look at the long-term perspective, mid-term perspective, everything is absolutely bullish. So let's say for example you buy Vechain today, right, and just basically forget about it in the next 3 months. You guys are going to be like retiring and smiling all the way to the BANK, all the way to the bank. You guys are going to do absolutely amazingly well. I mean, you're going to have like insane type of profit. So to me, this is absolutely a no-brainer. You don't even have to second guess and overthink. This is an easy trade. Easy peasy, easy does it, and you guys are going to be able to like make your money and do what you have to do. So remember, let's say for example you are going to be buying today. By the way, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. All the information that I'm giving you today is only for entertainment and information purposes. So whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. So the next target that I'm going to be looking out for is obviously 14 cents and a half, but overall my major take profit is around 16 cents. So let's say for example in the next 48 hours we fail to go to around 14 and a half cents, right? Then I'm going to be able to like give you an update and I'm going to sort of look out for you guys. So basically if you get in now, best believe 16 cents and above is going to be like a very good threshold to sort of get out of this particular trade. But usually I mean that's probably going to give you like a 10% to about 20% to about 30%. So you can easily make 10% and more in the next 48 hours. So that's it for Vechain. Let's move over to Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is one of our favorites, So big shout out to all the OGs on my YouTube channel. We have been trading Axie Infinity since 12 cents and if you look at the price, right, it has done more than a 10x. So beyond 10x is living up to the name, or rather I am living up to the standards of my name. I call myself beyond 10x because I always give out bangers and I always give people amazing trading opportunities. So when
stop playing with my name,
let's go right on in.
Nigga, when my name come up, respect it.
Let's go.
Stop playing with my fucking name.
Exactly. Stop playing with my name, man. I always give you the best type of information. But I really believe that Axie Infinity is going to continue propelling towards the upside. There's absolutely way much more room to the upside. So don't get it twisted. Just because Axie Infinity is around 7.7 billion US dollars, as you can see, this is the current market cap, right? Don't get it twisted because this thing has got way much more demand. People are absolutely crazy when it comes to the play to earn type of cryptocurrency niche. So this is all about NFTs, play to earn, and people are absolutely making a whole lot of money. So remember, put some respect on my name because I gave you a banger. This one was like one of those great, amazing trades that I have covered on my YouTube channel. So let's take a look at the technical analysis as far as Axie Infinity is concerned, because we are practically grinding our way up and I really believe we are bound to have one more leg towards the upside. So I am expecting prices which are going to be close to around $160, $150 or even more. So let's say for example we get to pump to about 150. That's probably going to give you like more than 10%, more than 15% in the next 48 hours. So right now the only thing that we are waiting for is we're just waiting for Bitcoin to sort of become stable, because if you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance at this particular moment, right? The Bitcoin dominance has been slightly correcting, which is very good news for alternative cryptocurrencies. This is one of the reasons why I'm absolutely going crazy. I'm going ham on a lot of alternative cryptocurrencies because I know it's time to switch. And yeah, of course, Bitcoin is going to, sort of have another push towards the upside. And if BTC gives us another push towards the upside, right, this really means that a lot of alternative cryptocurrencies are going to super pump and super explode. So this is one of the reasons why I am really, really hopeful, and I really think that the next 24 to 48 hours is going to be absolutely amazing. So big shout out to all the people who have been sort of investing in Axie Infinity. I remember Tony Black has been trading in and out of Axie Infinity like a pro. You are definitely a pro, so I really believe you are about to enjoy this next incoming move. So if you take a look at the grand scheme of things, right, as far as the graph is concerned, this is what I'm working with. All right, so if you take a look at this, right, we are about to sort of coil up and push towards the upside. So this has been like a very dramatic correction ever since we had that push from around $70. Remember this gigantic pump, right, from around 62, and we just sort of kept going on and on and on, and it was just like pump after pump, profits after profits. That was like some crazy explosion. So basically what I'm expecting is as soon as this little bit of a correction is done, right, because anytime soon, if you guys snooze, you are definitely going to lose. So for me, what I've done is I just don't care. I just bought, and I'm just going to like forget about it, and I'm just going to let the markets do their things. Because if you try to be very technical, and if you try to be very precise, you're just going to end up missing a whole lot of moves. And you guys already know, because we are preparing for a party. We are preparing for a birthday party as far as these charts are concerned. So let me just play you something.
Go, 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 shorty.
Exactly, that's what we are about to do with these trades. So anyhow, let's say for example you guys get in. By the way, not financial advice. I'm just giving you a practical example. So don't listen to me. So if anybody is going to decide to like get in at this particular level, right? Because it really seems 124 is some very good support. If we drop to about 123, right, that would be some very, very good support, and that's going to be like a very good turnaround level. But it really seems we are having like a POC, which is a price of, like a control point as far as the bulls and the bears are concerned. So this particular level is absolutely a great bargain, and I'm going to be looking forward to like us going, above 150. So I'm probably expecting 160, 170, and all that stuff. So if we take a look at the graph, right, and the percentage gain to the previous all-time high, right, that's like a 20% price increment. So remember, Vechain is about to do like a 10 to about 30%, right? Axie Infinity is about to do another 10 to about 30%, right? Even the next coin, which I'm about to talk about, right? Avax. Avax is also about to start doing its thing. But before we jump and talk about Avax, let me just conclude as far as Axie Infinity is concerned. So if we look at the smaller time frame at this particular moment, right, I guess we are seeing some signs of some temporary support, but this is a very small time frame, and sometimes you might really get lost in the sauce if you really concentrate on the smallest time frame. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, if you guys are going to be buying these coins, of course I'm not trying to entice you to buy them. Not financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor, but let's say for example, hypothetically speaking, you get to buy, right? Just forget about it and then come back like in the next, I don't know, 8 or 24 hours, you guys are going to be like in instantaneous profits. Believe you me, unless something drastic and dramatic happens to the price of BTC, which I highly doubt. At least we've got some room. We've got some I don't know, like a little bit of time. Like the next 24 to 48 hours is not really going to be that terrible for BTC. So at least we've got some hope. We've got some glimmer of hope. We've got some temporary support at least, which is going to last us for about 24 hours. So yeah, this is definitely a great trade. And overall, Axie Infinity is one of those coins you need to add to your cryptocurrency portfolio regardless. You definitely need to have Axie Infinity because this thing is absolutely going to go to the top 10. It can easily go to the top 10 because it has been doing crazy stuff, crazy things as far as play to earn is concerned, and there's absolutely more and more room to grow. And this is actually the next phase of the crypto sphere, because in the beginning, right, we only had boring stuff like BTC. You know, I mean, it was so revolutionary and it was so amazing, you know, at that time. But then we had like second generation type of cryptocurrencies. We had Ethereum. We also had Cardano and all that stuff. And now, or rather recently, we had DeFi, decentralized exchange. So when it came to decentralized exchange, right, things just started going crazy. There was other different protocols. And then we recently had NFTs. Now we are having dynamic NFTs. And you know, this space is absolutely amazing and it is evolving. So definitely, Axie Infinity is one of those third generation type of cryptocurrencies. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe that this is a very powerful and explosive type of investment that you need to have. So basically, whatever you do, right, you need to have like one of the best new generation type of cryptocurrencies. Like back in the day, right, if you bought Ethereum for like less than $4 or less than $10, right, you would be, or rather you would have been smiling to the bank every goddamn time because the price of Ethereum has absolutely exploded. It's currently close to around 4,000 US dollars. So if you did buy a lot of decentralized finance type of cryptocurrencies such as Curve, what else did we have? I mean, we had like a lot of Phantom plus a whole lot of different other cryptocurrencies, right? You would have done absolutely you know, fine. And this is one of the reasons why you need to have Axie Infinity plus some other NFTs and some other play to earn. So yesterday I did tell you about the different NFT gaming platforms that you need to be investing in. So if you didn't check out yesterday's video, please check out yesterday's video because you definitely need to have the coins that we talked about in yesterday's video, because one of those coins is absolutely going to be able to do 100x. And remember what I told you, right? One of our subscribers, right? One of the community members, because you guys are like family to me. You guys are like, you mean so much to me, and I really consider you to be my family, and we are this gigantic sort of community. So one of you suggested those 3 coins. So check them out and remember what we talked about, right? In case those coins get to do like 100x, you have to tip the guy who gave us those suggestions because he really put in a lot of work. So big shout out to Samar for giving us those you know, amazing trading opportunities. So what are you guys talking about? So let me just take some time and read your comments because, hey, Paul Will says, what's good, homie? What's up? How you, Paul Will? Ignacio De Francesca says, Mona, how you? I'm good, guys. I am definitely having a fiesta, a party. I'm just having like a very good time, you know, just doing my thing. And exactly, we're just, you know, taking it easy. So my social says, what's up? Big shout out to everybody watching me right now. Crypto Boss Andrew says, Jasmine. What the hell is Jasmine? Is that a new coin? So I'll probably take a look at it. Okay, so anyway, moving on. Axie Infinity, get that. It's going to, you know, help your cryptocurrency portfolio a whole lot. So now let's take a look at Avax. Oh, by the way, Avax was one of those recommendations that I gave you. And if you guys are OGs on my YouTube channel, just go back to my YouTube channel. Look at the price of Avax when I was recommending Avax. I was talking about the Avalanche protocol, the Snow protocol. You know, we absolutely nailed it. The price of Avax was less than $2 when I was telling you to invest in it. It was less than $4. I vividly remember, and there's actually proof on my YouTube channel. So go to my YouTube channel, type Avax, scroll back, check the prices, and you guys are going to like just give me a round of applause because I do live up to the standards of my name. My name is Beyond 10x. That was a very specific and very prophetic sort of name to give myself because I knew the type of prowess that I have. So yeah, I'm just, come on guys, I'm giving my own flowers. I'm giving myself my own flowers because, you know, people just sometimes tend to say, Mona, you did it. So sometimes you just have to pat yourself on the back. But anyhow, let's get back to today's TA. Enough talking. And yeah, let's take a look at Avax. $66. God damn. So $2. This one has done a 33x. Woo! Come on, ladies and gentlemen, we are killing it on my YouTube channel. So 33x plus Axie Infinity did a 10x. This is overall a 44x just on these two cryptocurrencies that I recommended you to buy. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying if you didn't watch yesterday's episode, do it right now. Once you are done watching this video, go back to yesterday's episode, watch that, buy all those 3 coins. I guarantee you, best believe one of them is going to do 100x, and I'll be here again, and I'll be able to like tell you saying, look, I was talking about this, and one of them did a 50x, the other one did a 100x, the other one did a 10x. It's crazy like that, so please do check it out. So anyway, moving on to Avax. By the way, let me just play the Jamaican horns one more time. Oh. Exactly. So anyway, the market cap of Avax is around 14.5 billion US dollars, and the previous all-time high was actually hit recently, because the previous all-time high was around $79. So we are 16% away from the previous all-time high. So what I'm thinking, we are definitely going to go to the previous all-time high. So when it comes to this particular trade, right, Avax, you can easily do a 16%, 16 to about 20%. God knows, maybe nobody really knows, but there is a high probability that if the markets are going to be sort of grinding towards the upside, if we're going to have like stability, if the bull market is going to continue pushing towards the upside, I do see the price of Avax going to about $100. It could easily go that to that particular level, but I'm just going to be very conservative, and I'm just going to like take it easy, be very sane, be very calm, and this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, these trades that I'm giving you, they are probably going to be valid in the next 24 to 48 hours. Now let me just explain something, because a lot of you guys, you are kind of new to the community. You don't really know how Beyond 10x community really rose, and you don't really know the basics and the levels and the type of rules that we have. So these coins that I'm giving you, these are just flipping coins that you can sort of get to make quick trades on. All right, so if you look at the grand scheme of things, I mean, long term, they are absolutely going to be explosive. They are going to do very well. But of course, we are traders. We are day traders. We look for the highest probable trades on a daily basis, if you know what I mean. So basically, I curated all the best investments, and this is one of the reasons why I'm telling you, look, if you want to like make some good gains in the next 24 to about 48 hours, try out these coins. Of course, we have been investing in Avax since way back then. We've been investing in Axie Infinity. So I'm assuming that you guys have got your long-term type of bag, as you basically don't temper with this type of portfolio because you just want your money to like consistently grow. However, since we trade on a daily basis and we try to find these opportunities on a daily basis, right, we have to like flip from one coin to the other. So this is one of the reasons why I'm very specific when I give you a time, because after 24 hours or in the next 48 hours, I'm going to give you some other coins that you can try to trade. So we're just going to be, finding one opportunity after the other and just basically rinsing and repeating. However, I do have my long-term portfolio, which is very separate. I do not really touch this because it's for the long term, and I don't really want to mess up that particular bag. But I just want to like improve on my trading muscles and do what I have to do on a daily basis to make my, trades profitable and just basically make some, grocery type of money, if you know what I mean. So those are the rules. So this is one of the reasons, if you check the title, right, it says in the next 24 to about 48 hours. You understand? So let me just give you one of those Jamaican horns one more time. Exactly. So I really hope that you guys got the rules and you understand how we roll around these ends, because I just want to add some more value in your life and just do what I have to do to make your life easier. So basically, you don't have to do anything. Just come to my YouTube channel on a daily basis, listen to what the hell I'm talking about, because I am giving you the creme de la creme, like the top tier type of trades that you can really get to like make some money off of. So yes, moving on. Let's talk about Avax. Let's conclude this video because I have been talking about these things for a very long period of time, and this video is becoming too long. So let me just play this one more time. Let me just play this one. Stop playing with my name.
Let's I ain't go right on in.
Nigga, when my name come up, respect it.
Exactly, respect it. So as you can see right now, the price of Vechain is absolutely exploding. It's beginning to do its thing. So if you bought a few minutes ago, you should be in profit right now. You should be in profit. Woo! This is what I'm talking about. We're about to have a fiasco.
Go, 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 go.
Exactly. So anyway, let's talk about Avax. Let's conclude this, man, because it's becoming way too long. So Avax, what are we going to do about this particular investment? So Avax is also beginning to recover. And just like I told you, right, I'm expecting $79 to around $80, which is a 16% price increment, all right, as far as Avax is concerned. So Avax is one of those coins which is like a sleeper. A lot of people don't really concentrate on Avax, but best believe, Avax has a lot of market makers. Let me say that one more time. You see, when it comes to like the pumponomics, now let me take you to class, man. Let me just give you one of those Jamaican horns one more time. So when it comes to levels of, you know, finding the very best cryptocurrencies, there are levels to this shit. I mean, please forgive my bad language, but all I'm trying to say is when it comes to the school of pumponomics in the cryptocurrency market, right, there are levels to this shit. Okay, let me hit you one more time with the Jamaican horns. You see, cryptocurrencies such as Avax, Axie Infinity, plus a whole lot more, right? They have a team. They have a team of market makers. These market makers get to manipulate the prices like crazy. So in order for you to make money, right, you have to be able to like discover those cryptocurrency projects that have got like solid market makers, because by the end of it all, right, it's a competition. If you really want your project, okay, put yourself in the mindset, or rather if you were one of these founders, one of the owners of these amazing blockchain technologies, right? And you really want the people to like rally behind your project, right? You obviously need to make the markets very interesting and very exciting to be to be part of. So this is one of the reasons why they hire professional people who are able to manipulate the charts and basically just, you know, make the markets very volatile, and just basically get to make traders like me get interested in investing in these cryptocurrencies. So Avax, best believe, has got one of the best market makers. This is one of the reasons why it pumped from around $15 all the way to around $80, because the market makers were doing their thing and they were able to sort of get in the retail traders. Because by the end of it all, right, in order for me to like be alerted, and in order for me to start looking at a cryptocurrency project and the graph and all that stuff, right, there is certain things that I look out for. So in order for me to be sort of intrigued by a particular project, right, the market makers have to do their thing, if you know what I mean. So it is a combination of a lot of things. So more of the story is Avax has got like one of those solid market makers, and these market makers are about to pump the price like crazy. Okay, so I don't even know why I was talking about that. So why was I even talking about that? I swear to God I had a point. But anyway, I digress. I'm very long-winded, as you guys already know, but more of the story is Avax is a good trade, as you guys can make 15%. So, well, do we need to look at the charts? I guess we don't even need to look at the charts, because we are definitely this good. I do not even need to look at the charts. You guys can even blindly buy Avax. If you bought Avax in the past 15 minutes, right? Well, in the past 10 to 15 minutes, you should be in profits. You know, we don't even need to do these things. But anyway, yeah, I guess I have to go. You guys have been so awesome. I'll probably give you an update in the next 24 hours or something. So yeah, I hope you guys are going to be able to benefit from the incoming pumps as far as Vechain, Avax, and Axie Infinity is concerned in the next 24 to 48 hours. So Olandre Waju says, good one. Yeah, big shout out to everybody watching me. Nini Cop says, big up all Jamaicans in the house. Yeah, big up to them. Boop, boop, boop. let me hit the Jamaican horn one more time. Oh yeah, we're having too much fun. So look at Axie Infinity. Come on. Axie Infinity is actually beginning to pump right in front of your eyes. I'm telling you, man, I'm living up to the standards of my name. Beyond 10x only gives you solid 10x and above type of investments. We've done it like a whole lot of different times. So take a look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that amazing? So anyhow, before I continue praising myself, because I do that a lot of times, because you guys don't give me my flowers. You guys do not respect my name. So let me just play this one more time. Stop playing with my name.
Let's go right on in.
Nigga, when my name come up, respect it.
Exactly. All right, man. So thank you very much. You guys already know that we have too much fun. You know, what's the point of living life when you're not having fun? And just like I keep on telling my friends and everybody, right? I've actually lived half of my life. So I want to enjoy my life and do things that I really like. You understand? So thanks a lot. You guys have been amazing. Share this video. And I'm going to make your life very easy. So I gave you the trades which are highly probable to make the most, or rather, you know, to give you like good return on investment in the next 24 to 48 hours. Who does this? Come on. All right, okay, I'm going. So you guys have a great time. Honestly, I'm very humbled and I'm very happy that you guys support me. I'm saying this from a very humble perspective, and thank you for supporting me. You guys are absolutely amazing. So smash the like button. Tell some friends about Beyond 10x, because anyway, I have to go. Be good, be blessed, and